In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VNTANA's approval workflows. So right now, I'm logged into the client Ben's Designs with the permission level of Content Manager. Over here on the product page, I can see a few different review states: draft, rejected, review, approved, and live. So let's jump into a draft product. A draft product is just a product that's been added to the platform. It's yet to be sent for approvals, and it's not currently accessible to the outside world. So let's say I've added this product, I think it looks good, or maybe I've made some changes to the product, so I've added hotspots or something like that, and I want my manager to approve them. So I'm simply going to click Send for Review, and this shows me all of the different people within my organization that have sufficient permissions to approve my design. So let's say it's Ben, Christian, and Scott. If I click Send, they'll all receive a notification that I have asked them to approve a product. Now, not all three of them need to approve it. Just any one of them has sufficient access permissions to approve this. So I might select a few because I'm just trying to get an answer quickly, or maybe I want to make sure that specifically Scott sees it. So I'll just click Scott and click Send for approval. So now I can see that my review state has changed to review. And if I jump back, it will also be in review right here. If I go into the view of a manager, my other window, let me refresh the page. I'll see that I have this jacket that's waiting to be reviewed. So as an admin, I have the ability to reject, approve, make some changes and approve, or approve and publish. So I'm going to go ahead and approve this design, but I'm not going to approve and publish. Now, the difference between approve and publish is that if you just approve it, it will not be accessible to the outside world. So I can see my review state change to approve, but if I go to share a link from this, I can see that this asset has not been published or does not exist. This is because it hasn't been published yet. If I click publish, you can see my review state has changed from approved to live. And if I reload that page, now the asset loads for me, no problem. So that's the difference between approve and publish. Approve and publish means that now your asset will be accessible via iframe or via share link to the outside world. So if you were going to embed it on a website, an e-commerce site, something like that, you'll want to make sure that all of your assets are approved and published. If I want to make some changes to my asset, I'm going to deactivate it. And in fact, if you do make any changes to lighting or something like that, it's going to unpublish your product, moving it back to the draft state. You can see review state as draft because it wants to make sure that everything looks good before this goes live. You don't want to make changes to a live product without checking them first. So I would just click publish, and now I'm back into the live state.